guys, it's Kenzie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial and I haven't done one of these in a really long time. I feel like, I don't know, how long has it been? Last one was 6 months ago. Like, what? Yeah, so I haven't done my makeup in like a really long time, like an eye look. So let's just like see how this turns out. I really have no idea what I'm doing. Hopefully it turns out good. So yeah, if you want to see whatever look I'm gonna do, keep on watching. I don't think I'm gonna talk through it because whenever I watch makeup tutorials, I don't really like to watch people or like listen to people say it. So I kind of like think I'm just gonna put like music over it and stuff like that. So yeah. So this is the final look. I added lashes and then did like my lower lash line and stuff. And yeah, I think this is like a pretty simple type of look, but I think it's kind of cute. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. But yeah, if you guys want more makeup tutorials, please request them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you guys so much. Stay confident. Bye.